If A, B, C are three sets such that A union B is equals to A union C and A intersection B is equals to A intersection C. Then prove that B is equal to C. This is the first question. If A union B is equals to A union C and A intersection B is equal to A intersection C, then prove that B is equals to C. C its proof. First, what is given? A union B is equals to A union C. This is given term. Right? Now take intersection B into both sides. Means A union B intersection C. Intersection B is equals to A union C intersection B. Take intersection with B into both sides. Is it clear? Similarly, you have also given A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. In this term, take intersection with C into both sides. Or you may leave it. First come here. A union B intersection B is equals to A union B intersection B. Right? See what is to prove. B is equal to C. So first consider let X belongs to B. This implies X belongs to A union B. Is it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And it is given that A union B is equal to A union C. So X belongs to A union B means X belongs to A union C. So X belongs to B I have considered and X belongs to A union B and we arrive at a conclusion that X belongs to C. So X belongs to A union B means X belongs to B. X belongs to A union C means X maybe belongs to C. Not necessarily maybe. Right? Now apply this one. See, B. B means A intersection B union C intersection B. This should be written according to distributive law of A union C intersection B. Right?
Yes, sir.
A intersection B union C intersection B. This should be further written as A intersection B union C intersection B should be written as B intersection C. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now apply this property. Apply this property into other part. A intersection B union B intersection C. So take here intersection C in this form. You will get A intersection B union B intersection C. Also see here in rough part A intersection B union B intersection C means if X belongs to B, then it must be X belongs to C, because I am going in short. Will you understand? Or I will give complete detailed proof. Tell me. Is it clear? Or I am in detail?
Sir, clear.
In first part, first take intersection with B. Second step, take intersection with C and get result. If anybody have doubt, then tell me. I will give you in detail proof. Don't be shy. No hesitation. And it is quite clear that it is B is equal to C.
Yes, sir.
If you understand the law, then it is very simple. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Or we
Yes,
go
sir.
another method? Clear now. So proceed for next question.
Yes, sir.
So come to next question. This question number 2, is very important question. So mark here. If A and B are two sets, A and B are two sets, then prove that P of A intersection B is equals to P of A intersection P of B. P stand for power set. Do you know power set?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What is-
sir.
What is power
The set of all subsets.
set of all subsets? It means if X, since it contains the all subsets, so here we take set X, not element X. X belongs to power set of A intersection B. So power set of A intersection B means X is subset of A intersection B. X is subset of, sorry, belongs to, X is subset of A intersection B. According to the definition of A intersection B, X must be subset of A and X must be subset of B. X is subset of A and X is subset of B. It means X is subset of A means X belongs to power set of A and X belongs to power set of B. It means X belongs to, that is common element. So X belongs to power set of A intersection power set of B. Right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, see here. According to that term, power set of A intersection B is subset of power set of A intersection power set of B. But if you use implies and is implied by this symbol, it means from this way we proceed to this one. So power set of A intersection power set of B is subset of power set of A intersection B. So if you use implies and is implied by, then you write directly, therefore, from equality of sets, power set of A intersection B is equals to power set of A intersection power set of B. Now understand? It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you have lack of time in examination, then you use implies and is implied by. Right? Now see next question. Write down. For two sets A and B, prove that power set of A union B is subset of powers, sorry, just change it. Power set of A union power set of B is subset of power set of A union B. But power set of A union B is not a subset of, this is symbol for not a subset of power set of A union power set of B. Question is clear?
Yes.
See first part. Let X always take set in the question of power set. Let X belongs to power set of A union power set of B. So either X belongs to power set of A or X belongs to power set of B. Anyone, maybe both, maybe anyone is compulsory. So apply the definition. X belongs to power set of A or X belongs to power set of B. X belongs to power set of A means X is subset of A. So either X is subset of A or X is subset of B. It means X, sorry, this is subset. X is subset of A union B. See here, you have to prove only subset. So I have used only implied. Therefore, power set of A union power set of B is subset of power set of A union B. It means X belongs to power set of A union B. Hence, power set of A union power set of B is subset of power set of A union B. This is your first part. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
No doubt. See second part. In second part, we have to prove that power set of A union B is power set of A union B is not a subset of power set of A union power set of B. Let us consider an example. Consider A is equals to set element containing 1 and B is another set containing another element, maybe consider 1, 2, you may take X, Y. Then what is A union B? Tell me.
1, 2.
1, 2, right? Now make power set of A. So first consider subset of A. So what are the subset of A? 5,
5 or 1.
5, 1.
set 1. Not 1,
Yes, sir.
set 1. A should be set containing 5 and set 1.
Yes.
Similarly, power set of B
5 or set 2.
5 or 2.
and set
2.
2.
so power set of A union power set of B. Take their union 5, 1 and 2. Must remember
5, 1, 2.
elements
5
not
1 2.
I set 1 and set
Set 2.
2. Also see power set of A union B. Construct it. First 5
Yes, sir.
singleton set 1,
1
2
2
and
1 2.
get set that is
1,
1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Each element of power set A union B does not belongs to this one. Therefore, power set of A union B is not a subset of power set of A union power set of B.
सर वहाँ पे 2 के पास एक और ब्रैकेट आएगा ना?
कहाँ? Here?
5 1 2 और 1 2 लिखे हैं तो सर 2 जो है वो तो सर एक और सबसेट हो गया तो मतलब कि वहाँ पे एक और आएगा।
ये तो ब्रैकेट है ही।
अच्छा।
Set 1, set 2, set 1, 2. This is already set. So now see another example, another question.
सर
हाँ,
सर इन एग्जाम सेकंड वाला जो है वो हम लोग एग्जाम्पल से प्रूफ करेंगे।
हाँ, यस। यदि कोई नेगेटिव प्रूव करना है, नॉट सबसेट, नॉट इक्वल, so it is better to consider an example. That was simple way.
सर पॉजिटिव भी एग्जाम्पल से कर सकते हैं।
हाँ?
पॉजिटिव मतलब पॉजिटिव प्रूफ करना है वो भी एग्जाम्पल से कर सकते हैं।
देखो जनरल ये एग्जाम्पल से नहीं इसलिए कि ये जनरलाइज्ड हो गया, मतलब सबके लिए हो गया। और निगेटिव में आने के लिए हमको कोई एग्जाम्पल ही दे देना है कि उसे निगेटिव नहीं होगा। कर दो, कोई गलत नहीं होगा, बट इट इज बेटर टू जनरलाइज देम। That is
Yes,
not
sir.
wrong, but it is generalized way. Identity formula क्या होता है? सब generalized way होता है. So write down next question. If power set of A is equals to power set of B, power set of A is equals to power set of B, then that prove that A is equals to B. Right? This is your question. This state you have seen, this state is self state is subset of itself. It means A is subset of A. Is it clear? A is subset of A.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
we can say that X belongs to power set of A, and X belongs to power set of A means X is belongs to power set of A means A belongs to power set of B, because that equal to, and hence subset of B. So what we have seen, A is subset of A means A is subset of B. Similarly, it is triple LY symbol for similarly. Similarly, E is subset of B. B belongs to power set of B. B belongs to power set of B means B belongs to power set of A because it is given power set of A is equal to power set of B. So B is subset of A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what we have seen, A is subset of B and B is subset of A. Therefore, A is equals to B. This is your result. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. So proceed
Sir.
to next. Your next question is, if A union B, is equals to A intersection B, then prove that A is equals to B. What is to prove? A is equal to B. Then you prove A is subset of B and B is subset of A. So first let X belongs to A. X belongs to A means X belongs to A union B. X belongs to A union B means X belongs to A intersection B because it is given that A union B is equal to A intersection B. So X belongs to A intersection B means X must belongs to A and B. So we have already taken X belongs to A. So X belongs to B. Therefore, A is subset of B. So here you write if implies and is implied, why then write directly as A is equal to B. But in case of implies, this is just a subset of B. Again, let another element Y belongs to B. So Y must belongs to A union B. And it is given that A union B is equals to A intersection B. And A intersection B means Y is common element of A as well as B. So Y must belongs to A. It means B is subset of A. So we have seen that A is subset of B and B is subset of A. Therefore, from equality of sets, A is equal to B. This is your result. This is your result. I think you should not have any doubt.
No, sir.
Everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Next
sir.
thing. Write down next question. You also write for sets A and B. For sets A and B, prove that A minus B union B minus A is equals to A union B minus A intersection B. For any two sets A and B, prove that A minus B union B minus A is equals to A union B minus A intersection B. Process is remain same. Let X belongs to A minus B union B minus A. It means just expand it. X belongs to A minus B or X belongs to B minus A. Right? Again, expand them. X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. According to definition of set. And or X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. Just rearrange them. Rearrange them. This is value of this one. Write like this. X belongs to A or X belongs to B. X belongs to B. These two things be written here. And X belongs to B and X does not belongs to B and right here, and X does not belongs to A or X does not belongs to B. Just rearrange the terms. X belongs to A or X belongs to B means X belongs to A union B, and X does not belongs to A or X does not belongs to B means X is nowhere, neither in A nor in B. So X does not belongs to A intersection B. X belongs to A union B and X does not belongs to A intersection B. So from the definition of difference of two sets, X belongs to A union B minus A intersection B. See children, this is long question. So it is much better if you use the symbol implies and is implied by. And write directly from equality of sets from equality of sets A minus B union B minus A is equals to A union B minus A intersection B. Right?